Namaste and welcome back to Mininita. Today, we begin our special Navratri series where we'll be creating beautiful and unique outfits inspired by the vibrant culture of different Indian states. For the first day of Navratri, we are diving into the rich textile heritage of Uttar Pradesh with a stunning yellow Banarasi Lehenga, accentuated with pink combinations. So, let's get started. We are using this beautiful yellow Banarasi silk with intricate zari work. To add a pop of contrast, we'll pair it with pink accents, inspired by the vibrant hues of Uttar Pradesh's traditional attire. Let's begin by cutting the fabric for the lehenga. We'll be using a circular cut to give it a full flared look. The Banarasi fabric is soft yet has a rich texture that will fall beautifully when worn. In the heart of India's spiritual center, Varanasi, lies a rich tradition that dates back over 1,000 years. Banarasi fabrics and weaves, a symbol of opulence, artistry, and heritage. Banarasi fabrics come in various types: pure silk, organza, georgette, and chattir. Among them, the kattan silk and the brocade saris are the most revered. I am using 3 different types of sari lace and start layering them. Stitch along the top edge of the lace carefully, following the lace pattern to ensure a neat finish. If you want a more secure attachment, you can also sew along the bottom edge of the lace. Now, let's move on to the second layer of lace. I will not keep any distance between the layers to create a cascading effect. For the third layer, I'm using a narrower lace, which gives a nice finishing touch to the layered design. Now that we have added those gorgeous sari lace layers, it's time to complete our lehenga by adding a waistband and some playful pink tassels to our waistband. Tassels add a lovely touch of flair and movement to any lehenga. And here it is, the final look. A stunning lehenga with layers of intricate zari work lace, perfect for any festive occasion. The beauty of Banarasi fabrics lies in their distinctive motifs, the floral patterns, intricate borders, and the iconic brocade work. You'll find traditional motifs like kalga and bell and the timeless jal pattern where the entire fabric is filled with rich designs. The weaving process itself is painstaking as every motif is created with meticulous attention to detail. Next, let's work on the blouse. For the blouse, we'll use the same lovely yellow Banarasi silk fabric. I've designed a simple high neck blouse and half sleeves. Next, I'm going to make the dupatta. For the dupatta, I will use a light pink Banarasi fabric. To match the lehenga and blouse, I'll add some intricate lace work just like the lehenga in contrasting pink and small tassels on the ends to give it that extra festive touch. Let's complete this look by styling it with some beautiful green accented jewelry. Green adds a striking contrast to the bright yellow, giving it a fresh and vibrant look, perfect for the first day of Navratri or any festive occasion. I'll be making a stunning Rani hat, a matching pair of earrings, and a traditional nose pin or nath to complete this festive look. The layers should hang at different lengths to give that royal draped effect that's typical of a Rani har. Now that our Rani har is ready, let's move on to the matching earrings. These earrings will complement the necklace with a similar combination of green kundan and gemstones. Lastly, let's create the nath or traditional nose pin. A nath is an important accessory in North Indian bridal and festive wear, and it adds the perfect finishing touch to our jewelry set. Now that we've completed this gorgeous yellow Banarasi Lehenga and made matching green accented jewelry, It's time to get Barbie ready for her first day of Navratri. Let's get her all dolled up and ready to shine. So, doesn't Barbie already look absolutely ready to rock the Garba and Dandiya? With her vibrant lehenga choli, sparkling jewelry, and the vibrant dupatta, she's the perfect embodiment of the Navratri spirit. I have added a stack of small green glass bangles and a bindi to complete the festive flair. Thank you all for joining me today as we kick off our Navratri celebrations in style. I hope you enjoyed Barbie's Garba Ready look, filled with all the vibrant colors and traditional charm of this festive season. Wishing you a happy Navratri, filled with joy, devotion, and lots of dancing. Stay tuned for day 2 of the Navratri series, where we'll explore another beautiful outfit and celebration. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mininita for more festive fun. See you tomorrow.